Welcome back, my dear students. So we are going to be actually starting to send email, to write our code to be able to send email to any inbox. But we want our emails to get there. But we don't actually want to be sending emails to our own inbox all the time, or you know, that's just too slow. We need something for development purposes. And remember that what I'm going to show you is how to send email using SMTP. Remember that we also have a function called mail, okay, that we can send email to anybody without using credentials. And when I mean without using credentials, what I mean with that is that to enable for us to be able to send email using SMTP, we need to have an email address. And our email service provider has to give us access to that server by giving us a username, a password, whatever. Okay, and let's say for example you have Gmail. This is what I'm showing you here. This would be your host, this would be your username to log in, your password, and this is your password for your email, because you're going to be using your own email to send people email. Okay, your own email server, own credentials, and this is the port number. But we're not going to be using Gmail. We are going to be setting it up so we can use anything we want, but we are going to be using Mailtrap. And Mailtrap is just a fake SMTP email testing server. We are going to be able to test every time we send an email. It's going to come to Mailtrap, and we are going to be able to test it. And we can send, I believe, and this is all the credentials here. They give you the credentials once you create the account. This is not a paid service. This is a free service. I'm going to show you. If you go to pricing, you can see that you are able to start. Now, when you get to this level here, this is when you're doing a lot of crazy stuff. Okay, and this is the more crazy stuff. This is basically for companies. But here, you can start testing things out, and it works fine. Now, if for some reason this changes in the future, let me know, and I will make another video to show you some other testing websites out there, email testing applications, which are free. But this is the one that I currently use, and it's really good. Okay, so let's actually go back to our code and let's start coding. So I'm gonna do that in the next lecture, because we have to do a lot of really cool configurations, and we're gonna do pretty cool stuff. So I'll see you in the next lecture.